Welcome. I think on Sunday I was talking about the psychology of the market, and I was trying to explain that if price, we have majorly two structures, either is bullish or is bearish, and we've thought severally that we want to follow price action. That's market structure. We want to find out from the highest time frame there is what's going on, then we can build our bias from there. So talking of the psychology of the markets, I established in the Sunday class that we want to keep following price until price violates. And how do we do that? We want to check out the break in market structure. We want to see price come to play this break. That's what we want to first expect price, this break. The immediate break in market structure. That's the first point to expect a reversal. Yeah. So we have, can I type this on now? Okay, this is a break in market structure. So we expect that if price is going to continue its buy momentum, price will have to come to this structural zone first, probably, maybe create an inducement, and then price will come back, because ordinarily if price is going to respect our model, we want to see price come to take out this B leg. So we have A, B, C coming to take out B, and then from there we can go higher. So if this is the model we want to keep trading, we want to see price anytime there's a break of structure like this to the upside or to the downside, we want to wait for price at that structural zone. Okay, so if I have a weekly zone, I want to see a daily confirmation, and then maybe a 4 hours or 1 hour entry. And if I have a daily zone, I want to see a 4 hours confirmation, and then maybe a 1 hour or 30 minutes entry. All right, so that's what I was trying to talk about. And I did say from that class that for GU, this is what I'm anticipating price should do, or this is what I'm expecting. Oh no, clean. So for GU, remember I said I want price to come to this weekly zone. This is a weekly zone. You can see this is a weekly zone, but right now we have a break at this zone. Yeah, we have a break at this zone. So if you are playing this, you want to always look at the most recent break. So if I have this, look at this, the most recent break. So price can tap here and go lower. So you want to look at this most recent break. All right, that's the most recent break. So you can see how the price broke here. We have a most recent break here. How do I call this? Yeah, that's the most recent break of structure. So I want to see maybe 4 hours give me anything around this zone or a daily. So let's go to daily. Let's see. So you see that weekly zone, that's the weekly break. So we have this as our weekly zone. Now I want to see a daily break. Do I have any daily most recent break? Yes, there's a most recent break here on the daily. That was before this. There was a most recent break here, not too clear. So I go to 4 hours. You will see the 4 hours. All right, beautiful. This was the 4 hours I played. This is still the weekly zone. So daily has also confirmed this, and daily confirmed this. Okay, this was like an equal lows. So I had this on 4 hours confirmation. So this was where you'd have waited for price to play, and that was where price came to play. Price played here. So look at it on let me turn this to permit me to increase it. So that's the most recent break on 4 hours. So you're expecting that if price come here, you want to look for sell opportunities around here. We have this break, but this is the most recent break, not here. So if you come to the candle, you see how the price came back to this zone, which is the most recent break. And I told you what you want to look out for is the same model. Price will have to sweep. This is our model, okay? Price comes, sweep, go up, create this, come and sweep. This is our model. We want to see a sweep of the B leg for entry, okay? So if we have this same pattern, ABC pattern, this was the zone. Now look at 4 hours. All right, look at 4 hours. 4 hours was so beautiful. 4 hours came, this long candle aligning with this, price moved higher and took liquidity. That was beautiful. Liquidity was captured. A sweep of the previous 4 hours candle. Okay. You see, price took previous candle. Price came lower and became a pin bar. What do you see on this? This was a bearish engulfing. So as price came for the bearish engulfing, on 1 hour, you'd have just played the structural level, which was this same 4 hours. This is the 4 hours zone. All right, this is the 4 hours A zone, the 4 hours break. Remember, that's where I put this dotted line. So price had to come back to it. But let's see a 1 hour. Okay, see a 1 hour. All right, look at a 1 hour. This is the zone I'm looking at. So look at 1 hour. Price broke. Price came back to all of this, but before price came here, price tapped back into this. It's even very clear on the 4 hours. Look at this full engulfing. It's just better on the 4 hours. So look at it. Bearish engulfing. And immediately price came, but before price even gave this bearish engulfing, price tapped into that same line. So if you had your entry at this line, you'd have gotten more, maybe 1 to 3. But price came bearish engulfing. As price gave that bearish engulfing, the next thing you want to look at is, okay, price takes the low. We have a big fair value gap here. Price will have to come back here. But what was my attention? This was my attention. All right, let's see the most recent break. It's not giving, why is it not giving the most recent break? Okay, let's see, 1 hour. All right, I think it was 1 hour. 1 hour gave the most recent break. This was the most recent break, which was here. You are going to wait for that same liquidity being captured. So 1 hour candle came, filled the 4 hours fair value gap. Look at what price did. Price came, took out all of these lows. 4 hours is even sweeter and clearer. Look at 4 hours. Beautiful. Price rallied up, captured all these previous, previous 4 hours candles and came to trade. I was expecting price to get to this zone, which was this open and close zone. Price didn't get here, all the same, but price captured this candle. After price look at these candles, look at this bearish engulfing, covered this candle. Price came, gave us a bearish engulfing. So this next candle becomes the entry trigger, that next candle. So look at 1 hour. What happened on 1 hour? Beautiful. This was the structural zone on 1 hour. When price, look at that structural zone, that's where price came into. That same structural zone, which aligned with this break. That was the entry. So price came to that entry. Look at all that break here. Price came back straight to that entry, and first TP was to this zone 124.